What's the deal, y'all? This your boy Motorcity Nique, man, and I'm checking in with another video. Got a little thing, man, I need to figure out today. I'm sitting in the Impala, as you can see. And I was riding around a couple days ago, actually yesterday, man, and I just noticed and realized my front speakers ain't working, man. So it's kind of hot, man. It's like 90 degrees here in Michigan, man, as you can see. It's hot than the mug out here, so I don't know, man. I'm about to try to figure this out before it starts raining, because I think we're supposed to get rain today. So I'm about to get busy, man. I'm gonna go ahead and crack these door panels and figure out how in the heck, man, I'm gonna fix this, dog. It's probably just a wire connection, man. It'll always be something simple like that. It don't really be nothing too much of major or anything. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock these panels off, man. Man, shit, worst thing about these B-bodies, man, is these some brittle door panels, man. You gotta take your time taking them off, because you be done cracked them and messed them up. So I mean, it's kind of tedious, but I'm gonna go ahead and get it over with and knock it out, man. See what the connection issue is, man. It's probably a simple fix, knowing this, the wires or something ain't connected right. So I don't know. I'm gonna figure it out. Burning up. But nah, man, I think I figured it out, man. I don't know, man. I think one of my speakers, I think it was a bad speaker. I mean, I'm gonna play with the settings, man, and hopefully I'll get it right. It is playing, so I mean, I swapped it out to another to my OEM factory one. I don't know, I was having issues with my DS18, so I don't know, man. I'll get it figured out, but it is playing, so that's the good thing. I'm about to button this door back down, get that panel back on, man, and shit, might give me a ride in, but shit, right now, and I'm sweating like a mug. What up, though, y'all? See, I finally got it back playing, man. I ain't gonna play too much of it because I don't want no copyright issues and all that, so, but everything seems to be playing pretty good right now, so, man. Hopefully I can, I mean, I ain't gonna say hopefully. I mean, I'm good right now, so everything sounding pretty good. I'm gonna keep playing with it, tweaking and tuning it to get it to work. right, y'all. I done played with enough for the day, man. I done scored myself. I done had a sauna sweating session and all that. So, man, I kind of narrowed it down and figured out, man, why my front speakers wasn't really working like that, man. One of my speakers was blown, had a bad connection to it. So, I mean, typical sound stuff that you go through, you know what I'm saying, with sounds and audio and cars and stuff. So, I just replaced it with my original factory OEM speaker. So I thought it was you know, I ain't gonna say I thought it was something major than that, but it really wasn't. It was something kind of simple. When I take time, man, and really crack into my sound system on this on the Impala, like I did my Caprice, then, you know, I really get everything the way I want it to. But it's just temporary for now. I can't rush it, you know what I'm saying, man. I'm just taking my time and walking it down. But this your first time watching this video, man, or checking me out, man, be sure to hit that like, comment, subscribe, man. Join that Motorcity crew, man. Come kick it with your boy. Stay up to date. Hit that notification bell too, man, so every time I post, y'all be able to check it out. But once again, it's your boy Motorcity Nique. I'm out, y'all.